This is a story about Leo and his adventure with English idioms.
Hello, everyone! I'm Leo! Today, I will teach you about idioms! Idioms are special phrases in English.
They don't mean exactly what the words say. Let me show you. Come with me. First stop, the coffee shop. I see my friend Sarah sitting alone.
She looks nervous.
There are new people at the next table.
Hi, Sarah. You should talk to them.
But Leo, I don't know what to say.
That's easy. Just break the ice.
Break the ice. But there's no ice here, Leo.
That's an idiom.
Break the ice means to start a conversation with new people.
It makes talking easier. Watch this. Hi, everyone. Nice weather today. Great job, Sarah. You broke the ice.
Next, let's go to school. I have a test tomorrow. Oh no.
I need to study hard tonight.
I must hit the books. Wait. Don't hit the books. That will hurt your paw.
Don't worry. It's another idiom.
I won't really hit them. That makes sense. Good luck on your test, Leo.
Time for lunch. I'm hungry.
Wow! Look at all this food!
Pizza, sandwiches, salad, and desserts.
Can I have a slice, please?
Sure. That will be $5.
$5? That costs an arm and a leg.
Oh no! Your arms and legs are safe, Leo. That's an idiom. Costs an arm and a leg means something is very expensive.
So the cake is just expensive.
Not my actual arms and legs.
I'll have the sandwich instead. It's cheaper.
After lunch, I go to the park.
The park is beautiful today. I see my friend Mike on the bench.
Hi, Mike. Wanna play soccer?
Sorry, Leo. I can't play today. I'm feeling under the weather.
Under the weather? But the weather is perfect!
Look! The sun is shining! Leo, another idiom. Me. Under the weather means feeling sick or unwell. It has nothing to do with the actual weather.
I hope you feel better soon, Mike.
Get some rest.
Thanks, Leo. You're a good friend. Later, I go home to study. Remember, I have a test tomorrow.
I go to my room.
Time to study English.
Wait, this homework looks very difficult.
Oh no! This will take forever!
Actually, wait, let me look again.
I already know this.
This homework is a piece of cake. A piece of cake? Where? I love cake. Wait, I just used an idiom.
Piece of cake means something is very easy.
Not actual cake.
No.
I can finish this homework quickly. Done! That was easy. We learned 5 important idioms. Number 1, break the ice. It means to start a conversation with new people. Number 2, hit the books. It means to study very hard.
Number 3, costs an arm and a leg. It means something is very expensive. Number 4, under the weather.
It means feeling sick or unwell.
And number 5, piece of cake. It means something is very easy. Remember, idioms don't mean exactly what the words say.
They have special meanings. Practice using these idioms every day.
Soon, speaking English will be a piece of cake.
Let's learn together.
Practice these idioms with your friends.
Thank you for learning with me today.
See you next time. Goodbye.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Hit that like button if you learned something today.